Math is not too difficult. Hi, and welcome everyone to my channel Be Inspired. Be Inspired is a channel composed of many tutoring math sessions tailored for students who are preparing for Lebanese official exams, Brevet Level. You know, if you consider this formula, m equal dc squared, and follow it from the beginning, you will find out that math is not too difficult. M stands for mathematics. D stands for determination. C squared stands for concentration and commitment. So if you have determination, concentration, and commitment, you will find out that math is not too difficult. Let's go to the first question and try to solve it together and find yourself how we can solve problem such like that. The question: in an orthonormal system of axes x prime or x and y prime or y, consider the points A, 4 and 2, B, 0 and 4, and let D be the line passing through B and perpendicular to OA. Okay, the first question is plot the points A, B, and draw D. Okay, how we can do problems like this? How we can solve it? It's telling me in an orthonormal system. Let's present the orthonormal system. X prime or x, y prime or y. The horizontal x prime or x and the vertical y prime or y. Let's locate point A on this graph. We draw a line parallel to the y-axis, which determines the abscissa 4 for point A. And then we draw another line parallel to the y-axis, which determines the ordinate 2 of point A, 4 and 2. Where these two lines they meet is the point A. And then consider point B, 0 and 4. 0 is the abscissa and 4 is the ordinate. Let's see how we located it. Sorry, first is O, 0 and 0, and then B, 4, 0 and 4. Okay, how to draw the line D perpendicular to OA? Just simply draw a line from P, cutting OA at right angle triangle. Just like that. So we join OA and B and becomes a triangle. It's telling me the first question, show that the triangle AOB is isosceles. How we can find OAB isosceles triangle? Let's consider these two sides, OA and AB. So we find OA, we have the formula OA squared is x of A minus x of O squared, quantity squared, plus y of A minus y of O quantity squared. It gives me that OA squared is equal to 20. AB squared, similarly for AB squared, is equal to 20 as well. So OAAB is radical 20, therefore triangle OOAB is OAB is an isosceles with vertex A and OA equal AB. These two sides are equal. Question B. Prove that y equal minus 2x plus 4 is the equation of D. So this is D here. We're going to find the equation of D. So how would we find equation of D? Equation of D or line D is parallel to OA. Sorry, is perpendicular to OA and cuts OA at a right angle here. So it's an altitude in triangle OAB. So if OA and line B are perpendicular, then their slopes or the product of their slopes should be equal to -1. So OA passes through the origin O. So the equation or the form of the equation of OA is y equal ax. So we need to find what is y and what is x. How to find y and x? O is, we said, 0 and 0, so y equal ax, and a is on the line of ordinate or coordinates 4 and 2. So 4 and 2 should satisfy the equation OA. So we put 2 equal a into 4, a equals half. What is a? A is the slope of OA, is the direction slope of OA. Now, how to find the equation of, or how to find the slope of D? We said that the products of the slopes is equal to -1. So the slope of D, M, A equal -1, M is equal -1 over half, M is equal -2. -2 is the slope of the equation D, and D is in the form of y equal mx plus n, like we said here. So B is on D, therefore the coordinates of B should satisfy the equation of D. So we put y of B is 4 equal -2 the slope and 0 is the abscissa. So we can find n. N is equal 4. Therefore the equation of D is y equal -2x plus 4. Similarly, which is we have proved then y equal -2x plus 4. Let's continue to question number 3. Number 3, let H be the orthocenter of triangle AOB. Find the coordinates of H. How to find the coordinates of H? H is the point of intersection of D and the line, this line, parallel to the x-axis. So if we know the equation of these two lines, we can find the coordinates of intersection because H is common to line D, and is common to this equation. So what is the equation of this line here? Is y equal 2. It cuts the y-axis at 2 here. So then H lies on this straight line. So H, the ordinate of H then is 2. Okay, so y equal 2. Therefore, H also belongs to D. We found the equation of D, which was y equal -2x plus 4. Let's go and satisfy y2 equal -2x plus 4, and we can find the abscissa of the coordinates x equal 1. Then the coordinates of H is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So 1 is from here, we go up, and we have already 2 where they intersect, they meet with the point H. Hence, let's go to question number 4. They're saying denote by E the meeting point of OH and AB and F and This is F is the line that intersects line B with the x-axis. So this is F. Calculate the coordinates of F. How to calculate the coordinates of F? D cuts the x-axis in F. So the ordinate of F is 0. So we know straight away 0 is the ordinate of F. How to calculate the abscissa of F is we put 0 in the equation y and solve for x. X becomes 2. So the coordinates of F are 2 and 0. 2 and 0. That's it. So now prove that the two triangles OBE and O or EOB are similar, and then calculate the similarity ratio. Okay, in order to find or to prove two triangles are similar, it's enough to prove one side, two sides in a triangle are equal and one angle is in each triangle is equal to the other. So let's find what are the angles. OEB, okay, equal to 90. This is an altitude passing through the orthocenter of H, orthocenter of triangle OAB, and cuts AB in 90 degrees. And similarly, angle FOB is also equal to 90. Therefore, FOB, angle FOB is equal to angle OEB. And then if we want to find two sides equal in each triangle, let's try this one. BH is equal to HO. Why? Okay, because AB is equal to OA. We proved that it's an isosceles triangle. Therefore, where it cuts these, the two altitudes should be equal in this triangle. So therefore, BH is equal to OH. Triangle OHB is isosceles. So then these two triangles are similar. So OEB and BOF are similar. How to find what is the ratio of these similar triangles? If we put first the triangle OEB, making sure that underneath here, angle B, okay, is equal to angle O. What I'm saying that B, that's FBO, we just proved it. And angle O is equal to angle E, 90 degrees, and also B is under, or F is under B. So if we take OB over BF is equal. OB is equal 4. Here OB is 4. And BF is equal to radical 20. Why it is equal to radical 20? If we go here, O in triangle FBO is a right angle triangle and BF is the hypotenuse. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem and we say that BF squared is equal to OF equals OF squared equals OB squared plus OB squared. BF squared is equal to OF squared plus BO squared. It gives me that BF is equal radical 20. I will not leave the radical in the denominator. I will rationalize. How I will rationalize? I multiply the before, let's simplify. 4 over radical 20 is 4 over 2 radical 5 is equal to 4 times radical 5 over 10 is equal to 2 radical 5 over 5. Okay. Now, let C be the circle circumscribed about triangle BOF. So let's continue and locate F again. This is F, and let's draw C. This is C, circumscribed about triangle BOF. Denote by T the tangent at B to C and intersects the x-axis at G. Let's draw it. This is T, tangent, and we draw the tangent, okay, and locate G as the intersection of T and the x-axis. Okay, show that T is parallel to OA. We want to show that T is parallel to OA. We notice that BF is perpendicular to T, the tangent Y, because BH is the radius and H is the center of the circle, so therefore it is perpendicular tangent, perpendicular to the radius, and BF is the other altitude in triangle OAB because it's passing through H, the orthocenter. So if we have a line or two lines perpendicular to one line, they are parallel. So T and OA are parallel. Write an equation of T. How we write an equation of T? T is perpendicular. T and D are perpendicular. Therefore, the product of their slopes is equal to -1. Equation of T in the form of y equal mx plus n, and equation of D is y equal -2x plus 4. We proved it earlier. Solve to find the slope of T. So if the products or the slope m into the slope of the other equation, -2 is equal -1, so the slope is m equal half, the slope half. So point B, 0, 4 belongs to T, so therefore the coordinates of B should satisfy the equation. This will solve for n. Equation of T is now y equal half x plus 4. Okay, so and T cuts the x-axis in G. Therefore, the ordinate of G is 0. Then 0 is equal half x plus 4, x is equal -8. So the coordinates of G -8 and